I'm Amy Bourbeau, and I'm co-founder and Chief Impact Officer at Seismic. I think bringing the food and drink industry together, what we find is a need and a desire to innovate in the way that we address the shared challenges that we have. When we come together, we identify and we see time and time again, there's the same challenges that we're all facing and we're trying to address. And quite often, there can be a built-in belief that we need to keep on doing things the way that we've always done them. What's exciting when we bring the industry together is we learn from how different pockets of the industry are innovating, and they challenge that perception and help us to think outside of the box and think, what ways can we innovate? How can we change the way that we do things? So for example, whether that be about the design of your product. So Minor Figures have launched a really innovative product around atomized milk, which means that they're reducing packaging, they're reducing logistics, emissions, many other benefits from that as well. Or whether we see it's about different ways of engaging with your supply chain. So Innocent have launched an innovation fund where they're helping to invest in their supply chain to connect them with better ways of behaving and doing things, or just changing quite a significant portion of how we behave. So Marshfield Farms, they've actually changed their model away from being an organic farm into being a regenerative farm that runs on regenerative agriculture. So it's just challenging the status quo in the way that we do things, thinking outside the box. There are so many values of bringing the food and drink community together. One of them is that through learning and identifying our shared goals and challenges, we can also think about how can we pool our resources, that's our research, our time, our funds, all of those different elements. How can we pool that resourcing together to work together smarter and faster and in a more innovative way, rather than staying siloed in our own companies, making a smaller proportion of progress? Let's combine, let's unite, and let's work faster towards the solutions that we need to see.